So this is the One Click Smile Teeth Whitening Kit. I love using this product. It was so easy to use and the instructions were very clear and very simple. So inside you have the teeth whitening gel. You have a teeth shade guide that helps you track your results, and that's the instructions right there, which is so simple to follow, as well as the device as well to help you with your teeth whitening process. I love this product so much. I could use it during the night or during the day when I'm doing my makeup, cooking, exercising. I saw my teeth change color on the second to third day, and by the sixth day my teeth was noticeably whiter. I was convinced that this product actually does work, and there was no sensitivity during or after the teeth whitening process, which was really good. Now I can smile wholeheartedly without feeling ashamed or shy about my teeth, and I just feel much more confident, beautiful, and much more happier thanks to One Click Smile.